Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox a gaming chair. That's right, I can't remember the name of it. Let me look. Respawn gaming chair. So I want to show you guys where it came from, what kind of box it is, and let's open it. But here's the thing, I will do a review, but it's gonna be the kind of review that is, I don't know, it's not gonna be a thorough review of the chair because, you know, you could probably search that all over YouTube. Everybody have a very detailed review of that chair. But for me, I'm gonna review it and I'm gonna tell you how I like it compared to what I have, and let's get to it. All right guys, today we're gonna be opening up the game chair. Respawn is the name of the box. The Respawn Live to Play Another Day. Yeah, check out this box. It's really beat up. Wow. The RSP110. That's the name of the box. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Alright, so let's continue. And we're basically gonna put this together. Okay, we don't need that. Oh wow. Look at that pillow. It's pretty cool, huh? Okay. This looks like the bottom piece, and here is the back piece. Oh yeah. We got the armrest right here. Another armrest that goes with it. Another pillow. And the tools. I wonder what kind of tools I need. Okay. And it comes with an instruction. Should I read the instruction? Well, maybe. Since this is kind of a really big piece to put together, I will go ahead and read the instruction in this case. All right. Set that there. All right, let's see. We're gonna open this up, and it looks like one, it says to open up the leg. So let me go get my knife. Let's use the long one. Okay, let's see what's in this box. Ah, the wheels. That's for that. And here is the wheel. Woohoo! Red's my favorite color, by the way. So this gaming chair is gonna fit right in. Oh my. So we got 5 spokes. And we're gonna put the wheels on it. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna have a seat flip this over, put that on there, put this one on, and look at this. This is some really heavy duty wheels because it kind of looks like a skateboard wheels. Look at that, you can't even hear it. Okay, so plug that in there, turn it around, do this side, do this side, and voila, we got us a wheel. Okay, next we want to open this up. Whoops. A little beat up. That's okay. Whoa. I believe this is where all the tools are. Yes, indeed. Oh, wow. Oh. That's some heavy part. Okay. So this will go underneath the chair, I'm sure. And this, we will have it sitting like this. I believe, let me look. Oh, we gotta find the other piece first. 2, we need to find, I think, where is that piece at? There is a problem. We're missing a piece. We are missing C. Oh boy. Hey guys, so I actually found a replacement of this hydraulics piece. I had to actually buy one. They didn't come in the box, so it was a missing piece. So it finally came in, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the installation. So check it out. So yeah, this piece will now fit right in here. So yep, I'm gonna go ahead and put all this together, and there's my helper right there. She's pretty well helpful, I guess. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna start putting things together. So let's take a look. Alright, so here's the wheelbase. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the chair onto the wheelbase, but I need the wheels. Look out, Hazel. Yeah, looks like a spider thing. Okay. I'll get the wheelbase right here. Okay. I'm gonna set this on top like this. The lever is right there. Actually, there's a Velcro there, so I'm gonna take it back out and put my thing back there, like that. There. Like that. Or try it this way first, and then we can see if there's a better way. So let's leave that there. So I found a piece that we're gonna use to tighten this armrest. Go ahead and do that right now, if you can see it. I got it in backwards. I tend to do that sometimes when I don't read the instructions. Okay. All right, so that's tight. Now I have a couple more screws that I'm not sure where it belongs, so I'm gonna read the instruction real quick. Okay, there's 3 of them that goes back here. This must be them. Okay.
Yeah.
And then this has a couple of snaps. Wait, let's see. So it goes down. Yep. This. That. Okay. But then it also probably goes down here. Bottom and snaps in like that. Then you can adjust it however you want. There we go. Okay, so I think you could adjust it low or high, however you want it. Like this. I'll probably want to adjust it really low. Like that, for lumbar support. You get the headrest.
Okay.
So let's test it out. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's the back release right here. Then you push it down if that's how you want it. This goes up like that. And then you have leg rest. Like this, and you flip it over like that, and then you can rest your leg. But I would rather lean back farther like this, right? Yeah. So that's it, guys. Anyway, guys, if you have never seen any of my video before, check out my channel. I do Otsa Gaming walkthrough, gameplay, vlog, review, and unboxing. And if you like what you see there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a like. That really helps me out. And I'll talk to you guys later. See ya. Peace. Bye.